Hey guys, welcome back to the Tulipical makeup channel, and today I have a special guest in my studio, my junior sister Annie. And we're gonna do her favorite type of makeup. Makeup, no makeup. Well, the truth is that my sis doesn't apply any makeup in her everyday life. She doesn't like fake eyelashes or stuff like that, but you know, we all have our own ideas about what the perfect makeup should look like. Friends, if you like the result, please push the thumb up and subscribe to the channel. All the links to the products, as usual, you will find in the description box down below. So first stage we are starting with is cleansing. Micellar water from Bioderma. It is necessary to clean the face before makeup even if you don't have any cosmetics on it, because in the short period of time there can be some sebum or dirt on the face that can badly influence the makeup application. Never leave micellar water on your face, because you might know that micellar water is nothing more than water and soap. And I'm quite sure that you don't have a habit of not washing the soap from your face away while home cleansing. I'm using pure mineral water for that. It will not only remove the micellar water, but also moisturize the skin. As for the tonic, it will be the Ren Ready Steady Glow Tonic. This is a good option for oily skin. By the way, Annie has that type of skin, and I don't recommend the product for dry and sensitive skin. It gives a really nice glowing effect after the application, but can easily irritate sensitive skin. Barrier Hydrating Cream from Eisenberg Cosmetics. Tapping the product into the skin. Last but not the least skin preparation product is Estee Lauder Daily Wear Matte Cream, only on T-Zone. I strongly advise people with oily skin to pay attention on that product. It moisturizes and keeps the sebum throughout all the day very well. Lip cream oil from LAMEL. And moving on to the makeup, no makeup. You might notice that Annie has some color and texture imperfections on her face. Red spots, acne scars. So I'm going to neutralize them by using the Dr. Jart Skin Treatment as a makeup base. And then apply a CC Cream foundation from IT Cosmetics. Concealer from Smashbox, light pigmented texture and nice long lasting. Cream Sculptor from Fenty Beauty. My sis has a little of like baby cheeks. It looks very nice, but I'm sure that all girls like to put some more contour in that case. Setting the products with the Givenchy Prism Libra Loose Powder. A touch of dry sculptor and blush. Moving on to the eyes and starting with the milkish color from Tarte Bloom palette on the upper eyelids. To give some depth to the crease, I'm applying the darker color using a sharper brush. Let's warm up the color scheme a little, applying this beautiful peachy color. Working with the lower eyelids. As you might notice, Annie has a specific eye form. The upper eyelid has a rounder form than the lower one, and moreover, the outer corners of her eyes point down, so it makes a sort of a sad eyes effect. I'm going to change the form of the eyes with the help of Sephora Kohl pencil. And with the help of the white kohl pencil, I'm going to underline the place of the lower eyelid I want to open, so to say, a little. The form has changed already, and after I will apply the mascara, it will change even more. Let us style the brows. I'm using soap to make this natural brush-up effect. And drawing some extra hairs with the Catrice eyebrow pencil. Mascara time. Underlining the lips. Here I also want to add some extra volume to the upper lip to make the lower and the upper lips more or less the same size. Sephora cream lipstick and pencil in use. And this is the final result. Guys, thanks for watching, and if you are a sister or a brother to somebody, wish you always to be there for them and have fun. See you in my next one.